doing?
It's your boy David Chana. Back at another video.
Oh, we out here.
I am recording.
He looks so cute.
So hey guys, yo, it's my YouTube video. Come on. That's a third eye.
Yo, give me good phone.
Hold on. After the intro. So it's your boy David Chana here, back in another YouTube video. Going home right now at the moment. And you already know. Shit gang, whole lot of gang boom. So yeah, right now.
I got you. Pull up for here. No, I'm just showing right here.
Right now, Katie is in her bag once again. Young is devastated.
You can't get her out of the bag.
Damn, what the fuck is going on? Masterpiece? That has hair? This is Marco Torres. Marco Antonio. And this is
Joanna Chin.
and this is Joanna Pimple.
Chin.
Let's call her Pimple. Okay, can I see it now? Let's call her Pimple. And this is Eugene. Hey!
I'm gonna have clear skin next week.
And that's Ryan. Wait, pull up.
Yo, Eugene violated his finger.
He stuck that finger. He stuck that finger. He stuck that finger.
Ew, what the fuck? No, I don't want to do
And now we're
it.
back.
That was standard. Get out.
Man, Jung is a John, bro. Katie, I'm sorry, but I'm not TYB. Because Jung is a fucking TY, but fucking Jung is a John. Jung is a fucking John, bro. But no, it's all about Katie today. It's all about Katie. Look at that fatty, bro.
Who the fuck is trying to nut in my
Whoa! I caught that on tape. Yo, he's being out. We're at 74th Street right now. Oh. So, peace out, guys.
Bye.
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 What's we get out?
Bye, my love.
Bye, Jung. Yeah, so you already know how it is. It's your boy David on the YouTube video. Time to close this out. So thank you for watching, guys. Is it on me? Is it on me?
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching.
Yo, peace, bro.
Like,
comment,
subscribe,
subscribe.
Comment down below.
Tag your friends, yo.
and peace.
Peace, yo.
Well, I'm a vlogger, son.